Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about symmetry, patterns and nets. So that's a very important chapter. So symmetry means what? What is a line of symmetry? Line of symmetry means when we can, the line which can divide or separate a figure into two equal parts. Okay, so that is a line of symmetry, the line which divide a figure into two equal parts. Like you can see this letter A. So this line, as you can see, is making into two equal halves, this A into two equal halves. So this line which helps in dividing into two equal parts is known as line of symmetry, and the figure used to known as symmetrical figure. So now the question number 1, check what I know. First question is given, which of the dotted lines are line of symmetry? This dotted line should be which of the figure is making the which are the lines of symmetry. So lines of symmetry means the figure should be into two equal halves. So A number, you can see this is the line of symmetry, and is it making this shape into two equal parts? Yes. So A is the correct answer. But in case of B, you see is you can say this line of this line this dotted line as a line of symmetry? No, because it is not making into two equal parts. But if this line of symmetry would have been in this middle, then it would have been equal, then you could have told that one as line of symmetry, but this is not a line of symmetry. So next one, C number, you can say yes, just see this one, you can call it as a line of symmetry because you have divided that one in two equal parts. In case of D also, yeah, it is into two equal parts. But in case of E, is it into two equal parts? Yes. But in case of F, you see, so half this part will be different and this part used to be different, so you cannot call this one F as this line, cannot, you cannot call it as a line of symmetry, or you cannot call this figure as line of symmetry or shape as line means a symmetrical figure. So understood, I think it's very simple. So let us go to number 2. So put correct sign on the shapes that are symmetrical, so and draw the line of symmetry in each. So you have to find which one is symmetrical figure and you need to draw the line of symmetry. Number A, you can call it this is symmetry when you make it into two equal, yeah, you can divide this one in two equal parts. So this is the line of symmetry. So yeah, you can call this figure as the symmetrical figure. So you need to write, yeah, this one is a symmetrical figure and you, this is the line of symmetry. Similarly, in case of B number, you can divide it. Yes, you can divide this one. So yeah, it's a symmetrical figure. But in case of C, can you divide this one into two equal parts? No. So it is not a symmetrical figure. So there is no if it is a not, it is non-symmetrical, then you cannot draw a line of symmetry. But in case of this one, you can see yes, you can divide this one in line of symmetry. And there is a one more thing I want to say, the line of symmetry can be drawn in anywhere, like this also you can draw, like this also you can draw, like this also. That means you need to draw such a way that the line of symmetry that figure should divide into two equal parts, and it should be two equal parts. Okay, but if you do this one, this is not a symmetrical figure, because why? Because if you divide also into two equal parts, you will not get equal one if you cut also. So add one half will be different and another will be different. So but in case of D, you, it is you can, but if you draw like this, it will be not. But if you draw like this, if you draw like this, you can call it this one as a line of symmetry. So D is the correct answer. So like that, I think you can do it. So you can see now this one question is that some shapes have more than one line of symmetry. Yes, like this triangle, you can see there is more symmetry. You can draw, you can make this is the line of symmetry, you can divide into two equal parts. If you make this one line of symmetry, this will be two equal parts. If you draw like this also, it was. So some figures used to have, like in case of this also, like this one, you will get two equal parts. So they have more than one symmetrical, but in case of this figure you can see only one line of symmetry is there, but if you do like this it will be not. So some figures only used to have more than one line of symmetry. But in case of circle you can see there will be many, more than two, line of symmetry you will get in circle, more than that. So you can divide it like this, you can divide it like this, but it should cross the diameter, that is one point. So I think you can understand. So in the next class I will tell you about symmetry and reflection. With this, thank you for watching.